So this is just sort of a timeline of recent state law activity. We're continuing to see a lot of activity in the area. And we're going to focus today on those states that have passed recent laws that have an impact primarily on employers' right to test. This just sort of gives you an overall view of states in general that are active on the topic of marijuana. Next slide. And this slide gives you just sort of the visual map of the United States where ranging from fully legal to medical only to illegal. So this kind of gives you that visual view. You can see more and more dark green and less orange, which I think is the trend we will see with the next slide, which shows the impact on population. And again, I think we're continuing to see that dark green grow, and you know, state laws in general are tending to give more freedom to people to use marijuana for medical purposes and for adult use. So that is definitely, that gives you just sort of that visual of where things are going, and we're seeing that reflected in the workplace and how that impacts employers as they're having to make these decisions and policy changes.